What is a notcher? This is a pretty funky looking device here, isn't it? So if you are pattern drafting and creating your own designs, you need to have a notcher. So you need this notcher if you're creating patterns from scratch, so that way you can line everything up. For instance, you're always going to notice 2 notches on the back armhole and 1 notch on the front. So this indicates to someone sewing that it's the back armhole because there's 2 notches. The back armhole always has 2 notches. So the notcher is kind of like a hole punch, but it's going to put like a little half oval notch. So you're going to use this at any alignment points. So your shoulders, your dart legs here, center back. So let's go ahead and test it out. So you're going to take it and you're going to put the edge of your paper pattern into the notcher. For this one, for the dart leg, and you're just going to squeeze and it's going to create this little mark. So on any professional pattern, you're going to have these notched points where any alignment needs to happen for the sewer. Also here at center back, you're also going to notice that you're always going to have 2 notches at center back. So that's indicating that it's center back. So they're notched out so that way you can go back and mark your fabric to indicate that notch. So you can either chalk them or you can snip into the notch. So we would do this right here for both of these at the bottom of the dart leg, and then you would come over here at center back and mark those as well. And so if you cut out your pattern, then you're going to have your marks here for the bottom of your dart leg, so you'll know exactly where they're at. So without those indications on your fabric, you would never know where your dart legs are. But now that you've notched your pattern and you've marked your darts on your fabric, you know exactly where they are. So if you are pattern drafting your own patterns, a notcher is a must. If you enjoyed this video on what a notcher is, make sure you give it a thumbs up and leave a comment down below. Thanks so much for watching Sew Anastasia today. Bye!